This is the plan, guys. I got to fix that one, that one. I've got to cut this one to 320 here, just on this side. All this felt is coming off and the battens are coming off. I'll beat this all into shape around these tiles. This is tucked over. But yeah, that's the dry verge complete on the front.
I thought I'd show you guys what it's looking like from the back now, as we've been around the front all day. I'll zoom in. So all the way up there, all the way along, everything's coming together really, really nice. We do have a slight dip. Where's my finger? Oh, here. But that's just where the original rafters dip down. So we're unsure how that's going to look, but I think it's looking really, really good. As we said before, we don't know what we're doing here yet until we build this wall up. So get the roof on, and then we've left plenty of space for Rhys to be able to come back and have a look. And then we still need to do this ridge over there, because again we need to finish the wall over on this side, on the right hand side, and see how we get on. Can you give us a wave, Rhys?
Right, guys, so we've just come out this morning. It's been -2, -3 degrees all night. As you can see, ice everywhere, and this scaffolding, especially in the shade, is like ice. So we're going to take it really easy today. Around the front is in the sun, so we're hoping it's defrosted, and yeah, carry on with the roof around the front. That's what it looks like from the back at the moment. Right, guys, so this is where we're at the moment. I'm just working out the cuts. Well, I've just worked out the cuts over this valley. So the idea is I'm going to have a lead flashing, probably the width of these two tiles. It's going to tuck over the back, put some silicone on it to hold it in place. It's going to form over, sit over these top tiles, and just over that dry valley. So it's going to be a lead saddle over here, and then when I do my dry ridge, I'll come along and I'll sit over the valley, lead saddle, sorry. I'm going to put like a little return folded edge on the lead saddle, so any water that dries up catches and runs out. So that's the plan. I'm hoping it looks tidy. The neighbours over there have got cemented in, which I don't like the look of that, so I'm going to try and keep it as tidy as possible and as watertight as possible. And then I'm just going to work out my valley cuts down here now, and we're going to get this side up, and then I'm going to work diagonally across and hopefully get this finished today.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like. All the cuts are in up to here. We've got that row in now. The next step is, oh god, if I don't fall over, we're going to put a 450 wide lead saddle. I'm going to hook it over the top, and it's going to run over here over the next tiles. I've already said that, so we'll just get on with it.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day.
It's now Sunday morning. Yesterday we done the tiles up there, got a few of those ridges on. And then I put a bit of a lead saddle up there temporary just to start our work. We done all the cuts up this side yesterday as well, so I just need to finish this row up here. I done one ridge cemented in yesterday. I had to cover it because it was getting cold out overnight and it's drizzling this morning. I got 2 more ridges to finish up to our joint. I need to cut a little lead saddle now that goes underneath the ridges, so if any water does get through the mortar joint from neighbours to ours, they'll run off and down out the house, off the roof, sorry. And then I just need 2 and a bit ridges on our side and finish all that, and that is the main roof finished. And then I just need to finish the cuts around here today, but it's drizzling all day, as you can see, nice and wet, fine rain. But that is the plan. I want to try and get it all finished up there on that side, and then make a start on here, just try and get it all tiled, so at least then we can have a good tidy up around here. Go around the back and have a good tidy up around there, and we are pretty much done for the roof. I just need to put the cap-ins on the edge of the verge up here, and we are 100% done on the roof. And don't forget to give this dirty window a nice clean off before we finish. So yeah, pretty proud of what we've done so far, and we're almost there, almost on the home run. And just another side note, guys, it was -3 yesterday morning when we were out here. I tried using my work trousers, but my work trousers for some reason really tight around the crotch and on the hips. I bought a size bigger because that's what it said. So if anyone's got a link or know of a good pair of work trousers, let us know in the comments down below. Mortar's mixed 3-to-1, 3 sand, 1 cement, bit of plaster morticizer, ready to go for all those little cuts. Lead saddle's ready to go, so we're gonna get up there now, get that done, and finish the tiling. This is the lead saddle I was talking about. It's going to go over the ridge between my join and the neighbour's join of the ridges. So I've just made it about 25mm shorter than the actual dry ridge. I don't know what you call this, fabric membrane flashing. So this will sit over about 150 into the neighbour's tile and 150 into my tile, and create a nice runoff if any water does get in between the mortar, and stop any water ingress into the roof. This is the plan, guys. I got to fix that one. I've got to cut this one to 320 here, just on this side. That's going to butt up that side. We have a roughly 10-15mm gap in the middle. I'll use this lead saddle then over the join, and we can point a mortar out next doors up to here, bond it all in, screw this side down, let it set. I'll cover it for the night to keep it dry, stop any rain washing it out, and that'll be this section done. What the plan is, I'm going to get the top row tiles in first and a couple of tucks in, tiles tucked up under, just so I can work here without damaging any tiles, and then hopefully I can work backwards, and it'll be a bit of a struggle to finish down there, but that's the plan, hopefully. Almost there. I've got a cut to do there, a little slither there, and then I can work my way back down this way. There's probably a lot of people out there wondering why I'm doing this so awkwardly and not just doing all the ridge at the end. Problem is, I don't have roofing ladders. I learned the hard way on the back that if you walk over the tiles enough, you will end up with some broken water, whatever these called, water ridges, water gullies, I don't know. The bits that interlock, you will end up breaking them, and that means you have to replace tiles. So I do have a couple of tiles on the back, which I know I've walked on low level, that need replacing, especially in that little valley by there. So I'm just working backwards, gently. I'm going to get that in, point all these bits in here. There's my little lead flashing that I'm going to be using, just to keep it water running off over the tiles, as you can see. Once I've done that, it's all watertight on the ridge. Work my way back down. This last little section, get it in. I'm going to have to struggle by here. I hope I don't break any tiles below. But once I've done that, this elevation is completely finished. And then we just finish that few cuts there and work on the other side.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.
We've finished the full front elevation, like so. That's what it's looking like. All the cuts up the side, all done. There's a bit of a dip where the old rafters used to go, and it doesn't help that where the chimney was is a bit higher with the ridge, but I think it looks all right. It's been raining the last couple of hours, so I'm going to try and get back out in a bit to finish this section off. Once we've done that, I can start with the ridge, and then we can come around here and finish this elevation, and that's all the roof done. Okay guys, so long story short, all this felt is coming off and the battens are coming off, new felt going on, battens going back on where they are, because I don't know if you can see, but lots of sag in the felt from where I first put it on, and is absolutely battered from walking all over. So the top piece can stay, but everything else under that is coming out. Right guys, so it's all stripped off, put back on. As you can see, felt a lot better. Some place I've doubled up on it. And I thought I'd just chuck these tiles on quickly, temporary. Good morning guys. So it's Friday morning, got the day off, going away later this afternoon, so I'm going to try and get this side finished. I refelted and battened the other night just because the felt was all over the place and it was worn. So today's mission is finish the last 4 courses on this side, and I can do the cuts on the ridge, the cuts on the valley this side. Once I've done all those cuts up there, I can start working my ridge across while doing the tiles across, and then hopefully within a few hours I'll have this wrapped up and finished, and that is the roof completely done. Happy days. You see the moon's still out, lovely. That's how our Velux window's looking, just in case you were wondering. Let's have a little ganders of it. I don't think it looks too bad at all. Right everybody, this side is now done. All our valley's in. I just can't wait for a nice downpour to clear all this off from all this frost. Jump around this side now and start smashing out all the cuts for this side. Okay guys, all the cuts are done. I don't know how the roofers do it. It's been like minus all morning. It started off at -4. You can see it's still icy on the tiles. It's just defrosting and freezing again. But yeah, all the cuts are done. I start staggering some cuts in there now. Get my top batten in, get my dry ridge system started, and work my way along, start fixing the dry ridge in. And then we just work our way to the end, cap it off, and that is this roof done. I'll show you my little LED flashing or LED saddle when I'm up there, and you can tell me what you think. Right, so this is the idea of the LED flashing detail guys. Once I fix this ridge piece in for the dry ridge, this will fold down. I'll beat this all into shape around these tiles. This is tucked over the back of that first tile and just tucked under the edge, so that should not come out at all. What I'm probably going to do is just put a light bead of CT1 under all the corners once it's down, just to make sure it doesn't peel up. And then once that's done, this edge here, I'm not sure what it's called, I've seen it in a few things. I'm going to curl it upwards so it creates like an embankment, so if any water runs down under, it'll hit it and run out. So once I've done that, I can then start putting my ridge on. I'm going to put the I'm not sure what it's called, the mesh underneath, I believe. I think that might be the right thing to do. LED saddle over that mesh and then tile over the LED saddle. Use my fixings, fix along, and I'm not 100% sure how to fix this end piece. It might be a bit of mortar, but I'm going to cut it neatly and we'll see what it needs to be done, and we'll go from there. Right guys, this is what it's looking like so far. Got 3.5 ridges on, just work it up. I'm starting to come square because then when I get to the end I can use my hop up and do the last couple of tiles and the last ridge, or I can use my ladders off the scaffold right there. Yeah, that's how we're looking so far. Very close. We got 1.5 tiles to put on, and then we got probably 2 2 ridges to put on. I'm hoping my maths worked out so I can have full 2 ridges. That's the batten there. We've got 50mm overhang, so I do need to cut some of these tiles down, but it doesn't matter, we can do that later date. And then yeah, my ridge up to there, another ridge there, and happy days, we are done. Right guys, so essentially that is the roof finished. As I said before, I just got to mark back on the edges, disc up the line just to get that end level and straight, ready for the cap-ins and the cladding. Yeah, that is the roof done for now. I'm quite happy with that. We've figured out our overhang for these dry verge. I've allowed for my cladding. I'm not sure if it's going to be 18mm or 22mm, so I've done it 20, so at least I got 2mm either way. I would never notice it. It's all battened out. I've got an extra batten underneath fixed into the end timbers just to give it a bit more girth, something to fix to. And then these dry verge, click on like so, and just a bit tuck down there nicely. And they finish on the tiles just like that, and then fix through next one.
This is what it's looking like at the moment. So Rhys has done the one side and now he needs to finish the next one.
I've left a bit of a gap here. I will have to take all this off eventually to put my cladding on, but as you can see, the cladding will go up behind like that, and this will finish perfectly to the cladding. And that's the detail that I've gone for. Right guys, so this is all done for now. I do need to change this out for an anthracite fixing or an anthracite cap just to cover it nicely. But yeah, that's the dry verge complete on the front. We've completely finished the roof now. Have a look at the shots that Natasha has taken of the roof finished. In the next video, we'll be telling you exactly what we learned while doing this roof. If you've been following along with our roof journey, leave us a comment down below what you think. And if you haven't already, go like and subscribe our channel. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. I'll see you in the next one.